Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to hide photos and videos on any Samsung phone. Now the methods I will share in this video will work on supported and non-supported Samsung phones. Now for the first method, just open the gallery. Now just select the photos and videos which you want to hide, just like that. After that, just tap on more and select move to album. Now just tap on create. Now just create a name for your album. Now once you create a name of your album, just tap on create, then tap on albums. Now as you can see, this is the album we have just created. Now just tap on the three dots over here and tap on hide albums. Now just enable the toggle for the album which you want to hide. In our case, this is the album we have just created. Just enable this toggle to hide this album. Now as you can see, the album is hidden and the photos and videos are also hidden from our gallery app. To access the photos and videos, just go to albums and tap on the three dots from here. Now just tap on hide albums. Now just disable the toggle for the album which you want to unhide. Just like that. Now just go back. And from here you can get access of the photos and videos we have just hidden. Now for the second method, just tap on pictures and select the photos and videos which you want to hide. Just like that. Now just tap on more and select move to secure folder. We have already made a video on how to create secure folder on any Samsung phone. You will find the link of the video in the description. Now just enter the PIN of your secure folder. Now as you can see, the photos and videos we have selected are hidden from our gallery app. Now to get access of the photos and videos, just open the app drawer, then tap on secure folder. From here just select gallery and you can find the hidden photos and videos in your secure folder. Just like that. Now for the third method, just go to your home screen and open the Play Store. And in the search bar, just search this. Now just install this app on your smartphone. Then tap on open. Now just tap on next. Now just create a PIN. Now once you create a PIN, just tap on done. Now just enter your PIN one more time to confirm your PIN. Now just tap on allow. Now just tap on this icon to hide your photos and videos. Now just select import and tap on grant permission. Now just enable this toggle, then go back. Now just select the photos and videos which you want to hide. Now just tap on import. Then select done. Now as you can see, these are the photos and videos we have just hidden. Just like that. And this is how you can hide photos and videos on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.